Porsche Cayenne S. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Again. It's not even reaching 90. Again. Right at 90. One more. I'll let you guys hear it after. 2017 Porsche Cayenne S. Really beautiful V8 car, as you guys can see. V8 motor, got 4 converters. 2 down there, 2 up there, 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there. Then what it usually comes is no vibrance in the middle or anything. Usually this H pipe is over here. So we moved it forward for better exhaust scavenge. Put 2 vibrants in the middle. Then continued the original piping out the back. Then we also put 2 more vibrants in the back, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, there and there. And there's the part number 1794. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we put some fat 4-inch quad tips out the back, just to complete the look, make it look sexy, as you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. There's the original muffler that came on it. That thing is huge. As you guys can see, we took all that off and replaced it with this beautiful piece of art. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff you guys do. Ooh. Porsche Cayenne. Here's sound decibels. Much better. Again. Right at 108. Again. Yeah, that sounds sexy. If you guys have a Porsche, bring it to us. We'll make it sound good for you. What do you think? Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. When it's under load, it's going to sound even better. Yeah, those black. I'm glad you went with the black chrome, man. That looks really nice. Yeah, it just completes the exotic look. Very nice. That sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And then that is black chrome, guys, by the way. You guys see that? Porsche, full vibrant system with quad tips. Let's see what this Porsche's got. Yeah. That sounds really nice.